The book is on the table. This is also nominative sentence. Das Buch ist auf dem Tisch. The book is on the table. Dative. If you say dative, yes, because of this preposition. So this is dative only. But if you look at the sentence, the book is on the table. Das Buch ist. Where is the book? The book on the table. Okay. Next sentence. The bus, the railway station, der Bahnhof. Ist ganz nahe, is very near, ist ganz nahe. Der Bahnhof ist ganz nahe. Der Bahnhof, I am talking about only the railway station. Bahnhof ist ganz nahe. Der Bahnhof, I am talking about only the railway station. The railway station is very near, ist ganz nahe. Der Bahnhof ist ganz, the railway station is very near, ist ganz nahe. Der Bahnhof ist ganz nahe, is very near. Okay? Okay? Der Bahnhof ist ganz nahe. My school is very far. My office is very far. This is also nominative. My office is very far. It's very far away. Mein Büro ist sehr weit. Mein Büro ist sehr weit. Mein Büro ist sehr weit. Mein Büro, my office. Mein Büro ist sehr weit. Means my office is very far. Again, I am talking about my office. Mein Büro ist sehr weit. My office is very far. These are all nominative sentences. I hope you understand it. I hope you got an idea how to identify the case. You can write your comment in case any doubt. By the time I erase this and we'll see some more examples. This is nominative case. These are all nominative sentences because students find it very, very difficult when it comes to case study. So today we are doing case study. How can you identify nominative or accusative case? I will write some more examples. Okay, so keep the video till the end. Okay, watch, keep watching. Okay, so keep watching with us. Now the next sentence, we'll see some more nominative examples. Der teure Tisch. The expensive table is red. The expensive table. Now we learn with the article. Der teure. Okay, der teure Tisch ist rot. The expensive table is red. The table is expensive and it is red. Der teure Tisch ist rot. The expensive table is red. The table is expensive and it is of red color. Next, this is also nominative case. Okay, these are all nominative case. Next sentence. Die kleine Kirche, the small church. Die kleine Kirche ist groß. Die kleine Kirche ist ruhig, very peaceful. The small church is very peaceful. Der kleine Kirche ist ruhig. The small church is very peaceful. This is also nominative. I am talking about only the church. And how is the church? Small. Adjective. Definite article. Bestimmter article. Here are the examples with definite article. Bestimmter article we'll say. Nominative case, bestimmter article. Okay. We say bestimmter article. Bestimmter article. Definite case, definite article. Okay, bestimmter article, nominative case. The expensive table. The small church. The, die, der, das, all means the, definite articles. Bestimmter article. Die kleine Kirche ist ruhig. The small church is silent, very peaceful. Der teure Tisch ist rot. The expensive table is red. It's of red color. Next sentence. Das the big museum, das große Museum, das große Museum ist sehr schön. The big museum is very beautiful. Again, I am talking about the museum. And how is the museum? Very big. Das große Museum ist sehr schön. Das große Museum ist sehr schön. The big museum is very beautiful. You can say here, this is called bestimmter article. Okay. This is bestimmter article. The big museum, the small church, the expensive table. The bestimmter article means the. Die, der, das. It all means the. When we talk about any specific thing, it is das ist bekannt. It is known to us. We know that. Das ist uns bekannt. That is known to me. So definite article. Article of museum is das. Kirche, die. Tisch, der. And adjective ending is ending. Always ending. So we are learning adjective ending as well as nominative case. This is very interesting topic. You can leave your comment in case any doubt. And please hit the like button if you have not done. Share it as much as possible, as I always say, so that other students, other fellow learners can join us, join our group and learn with us live. Okay, gross means big. Gross means big. Next sentence, we are learning nominative case. Now, we'll see some other examples. Ein großer Bahnhof ist in Frankfurt. A big. This is also nominative case with indefinite article. A big railway station is in Frankfurt. Ein großer Bahnhof ist in Frankfurt. How is the Bahnhof? How is the railway station? Very big. Ein großer Bahnhof ist in Frankfurt. A big railway station. Again, we are talking about one thing, it is nominative case. When we talk about only one thing, it is nominative case. I have also added some articles. First three sentences, definite articles. This one is indefinite article. A big railway station. Ein großer Bahnhof ist in Frankfurt. A big railway station is in Frankfurt. This is nominative case. Purely nominative case with indefinite article. Adjective ending is er. Because masculine case, adjective ending er. A big railway station. The railway station is very big and it is in Frankfurt. We are talking about only one railway station. That's it. This is nominative case. Ein großer Bahnhof ist in Frankfurt. Some more examples. Eine bekannte Schule, a famous school. Eine bekannte Schule heißt XYZ. Okay, a famous school, eine bekannte Schule. This is nominative sentence. Eine bekannte Schule is called, any name, just I have written XYZ. Very famous school is called XYZ. It can be any school. I have not mentioned any name, just XYZ, ABC. So how is the school? Very famous. So eine bekannte Schule. Eine bekannte Schule heißt is called XYZ. This is again I am talking about school and a famous school is called. Or I can say it would be better if I use here definite article because I am giving the name. Okay, die bekannte Schule. Instead of ein, I would suggest die bekannte Schule, the famous school. Because the school is known to me. I know the bekannte Schule is called XYZ. So the main thing I am talking about only the school. How is the school? Very famous. Die bekannte Schule heißt XYZ. So these are all nominative sentences. In case any doubt, you can write in the comment. Now we'll do accusative case. We'll see some examples of accusative case. By the time you can go through all these sentences, or you can also write some sentences in the comment if you know. Otherwise, I will teach you. Okay, accusative sentences. Now we'll see some accusative sentences. Accusative sentences. Okay, now we'll see some accusative sentences. This is accusative. I have written in the short accusative sentences. Like first one, here you need to take care the verb and subject plus object. I write here there is one subject plus one object. Okay, it is accusative case. Now sentence, I have a table. Simple. I have a table. Ich habe einen Tisch. In this sentence there is one subject and one object. I is the subject, table is the object. I is the subject, table is the object. Habe is the verb, einen is the article. So this kind of labeling you can also do. Okay, this is very very important to label. You should label, okay, what you are writing for your understanding. I have a table. Ich habe einen Tisch. Here I is the subject and what I have, a table. This is my object. So it is accusative case. Ich habe einen Tisch. Ich habe einen Tisch. This is my accusative sentence. Accusative sentence. Ich habe einen Tisch. Ich habe einen Tisch. I will write one more sentence. Tim can't they start Berlin. Tim knows the city. Tim is subject, city is object. Okay, this is my subject. Tim can't start. Tim knows the city. This is my accusative sentence. Tim is subject. What does Tim know? The city. Tim can't start. This is my accusative case. Tim can't start Berlin. He knows the city Berlin. He knows it very well. It is known to him. So this is accusative sentence. One subject, one object. If you have one subject plus one object, it is accusative case. You can also identify with the help of verb. Here the verb is canon. Canon is accusative. Here the verb is haben. It is accusative. This is another identification. So there are many ways to identify a verb, whether it is nominative or accusative. You can identify with the help of verb. You can identify with the help of prepositions. Or it depends upon the situations. What are you talking about? In which context? That is also important. Those who have just joined the channel, this is our live class every day 9:30 p.m. You can join us Indian Standard Time 9:30 p.m. You can join us, you can learn with us live. I tried my best to teach you in the simplest manner so that you don't have any problem, you don't have any difficulty. Okay. So this is accusative case. Earlier we have just done nominative case. So I will write some more examples of accusative case. I need, ich brauche, I need a laptop. Ich brauche einen Laptop. Ich brauche einen Laptop. Here, laptop is my object, I is subject. This is subject, this is object. What I need? A laptop. The question is was. Was brauchen Sie? Was brauchen Sie? What do you need? What do you need? I need a laptop. This is accusative. Or braucht. He needs braucht eine Mappe. He needs Mappe. Okay. He and Mappe. This is subject and this is my object. What does he need? He needs a Mappe. So he subject, Mappe is object. Wir kaufen einen Ball. We buy a ball. Wir is our subject. Einen Ball is our object, which is accusative. So kaufen is our verb. Brauchen is our verb. Here brauchen is our verb. This is called accusative sentence. I hope it is clear. This is accusative sentence. So we have just seen nominative case and accusative case in this live class. I hope you find it interesting, so please hit the like button and share it as much as possible among your friends so that they can also join us. So tomorrow we'll see you again, same time, 9:30 p.m. for this live class. By the time you can subscribe us and watch the videos given in the playlist. There are more than 1000 videos available on my channel for all the levels A1, A2, B1, B2. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for being with us. Bye bye. Take care.